Today's video I bring to you from a location we have no clue. We are doing what Angie and I do best. We're finding back roads and hitting them, hoping to see some hidden treasures. We was just on the prettiest back road you could possibly imagine. And then we came across a graveyard. Yes, another graveyard, y'all. Yeah. And it looks like he has some new tombstones and old ones. You want to see it? Right there it is in the distance. Let's get up there and see what it has. Since we're in a location that he's never been, and he is my puppy Kit, he is going to be pulling me left and right. And we don't even know the name of this graveyard. Maybe we'll figure it out before the end of today's video. Here it is, guys. This looks like the newer part. I'm gonna walk on the edge over yonder there and go to the older part. Just give you a general idea where we is. Ain't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. There's a hill mound over there. That's probably where they, I don't know. Maybe part of the graveyard? Big gap between the semi-newer ones and the older ones. That's interesting how they have that. And there's that dirt mound. You know, a lot of graveyards we go to, Ange, it has that dirt mound like that. Mm-hmm. And some of them don't. That one do. Or this one do.
Probably where they dig up to make the graves.
That's what I'm thinking. All right, Kit, you gonna quit pulling? Carry on. Old cemeteries such as this intrigues me like you guys would not believe. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And yes, this is technically a graveyard because there is a church right up yonder. This is going to be a long take right here, y'all. Long shot because we're going to zigzag on and off, and I will spread my opinions on the way. Holy, here's one of them tombstones that's shaped like a log. Let's get right up to it. Oh man, it's so unique. Angie's got Kit, so we're just gonna do our thing. She got a lot of pictures in, so we just do our thing. Oh wow. Let me adjust the here we go. Here, I had to adjust the gimbal. And Mother Nature is being very nice to me at this moment. There is no wind. I see a car up there, not too far off from ours. I ain't got nothing to worry about because we're not doing nothing wrong. This is open to the public. Wow, let's just walk right down through here. Get up closer. I usually don't like to do long takes like this, but this calls for it. Look at this. Oh man, so beautiful. What a shot. My last video was a cemetery, and yeah, this was a graveyard. Whenever I do videos like this, they don't do so well on YouTube. But at the end of the day, us creators make videos, yes, for everybody to watch. But we got to make videos that we like as well. Well, that's the whole idea. We video things that intrigue us, right? And cemeteries, graveyards, old haunted places, well, haunted places, old abandoned places. By the way, I have not found one of them they're going to let me in yet because I've been looking. We seen them. They all got that nasty sign, no trespassing. But it's for a reason, though. It's to keep everybody safe. Because, come on, if you're in an abandoned building, you do not know what can happen. But, wow. Holy, there's a swing set right over yonder there. Here's Angie and Kit right there. It's a good thing we found this spot, too. Because we walked through a bunch of grass, as you seen coming in, before we hit the graveyard. And I was thinking Kit had to go pee. He was acting very bad in the car. He was. I was telling Angie, I said, he's going to have to go pee soon. We're going to have to find something to get out and walk. And then we seen this. Actually, Angie did. I was like, you know what? Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. So we did. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo. Oh, let me go down. There he is. There he is. How you doing? Did you pee yet? Oh, he about pulled you down, Ange.
Yeah, stop.
Okay, you think we good? I don't see anywhere around here that tells me the name of this graveyard. Then again, there is a sign right there. Let me go take a look and see if that says the name of the graveyard. As we're walking up to the sign, a couple years back, it might have been a year and a half back, I visit lots of graveyards and cemeteries. And I used to leave a plaque on some of the tombstones. The forgotten graves. I don't do that no more because I wanted to leave a plaque on every tombstone I've seen that was forgotten. You know, forgotten graves. Oh, you know, that's the sign, all right. You want to see the sign? I thought it was telling the name. My dumb butt thought that might be the name of this cemetery, a graveyard. My bad. Yeah. And the name of this graveyard is 30 miles an hour. I don't even see a name anywhere. I'm gonna do a full pan almost, y'all. Right up there's the church. Right there's my Defiant. That's my Equinox I called Defiant, in case you guys are new to my videos. There's no name of this cemetery, or sorry, graveyard anywhere. I have no clue. You have any clue?
No.
It's a graveyard without a name. How about that? You would at least see a name somewhere. Okay, I'm walking on the road part and I got Kit, my puppy Kit, in the grassy area. No pull, Kit, no. I have no clue. Maybe I'll look around a little bit up by the car. Maybe we might see some type of sign there, but I'm afraid there may be something right there. But I'm afraid this graveyard doesn't have a name. But it sure is unique and beautiful. That's what I was telling Angie. I said, if I can't find anything that is exciting, anything that would be adventurous. Now, I was going to get some reservoirs. I was going to get a park. I was going to get a lot of things today, but I wasn't feeling it, if you know what I mean. I mean, I am feeling it, but I wasn't really feeling it. And I was telling Angie, I was like, if we was to get us another cemetery graveyard, I want it in the middle of nowhere. We found it. Well, there is no sign saying the name of this graveyard. Adventure is an adventure, and this was one for sure. No name, no nothing. I hope you guys don't mind another graveyard cemetery, but like I said, as a content creator, I like to do videos for me as well. That way I can look back on these years to come and reminisce. Yeah. All right, guys, till next time. And by some chance I find the name of this before on the way out of here, I will have another entry probably when we get home, or maybe even I won't be inside the car because you're gonna be in my camera bag, but I will make an entry after I close the video out. If I don't, then I haven't found the name. Till next time, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I like to take you guys with our adventures, and today and yesterday was cemeteries and graveyards. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Hit that like button if you like this kind of content. If you don't, hit it anyway. It'll be okay. I won't tell nobody. I promise. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gone.